Okay, welcome back. It is day 181 of coding every day. So, I'm in the hotel in Virginia. Oh my God, was that a long day? I mean, like close to 13 hours of driving. I started around like 9 a.m. and just got here at like a little past 11. I don't know. I mean, a hotel on the way down that isn't like a bum ass hotel um, is like $90. Um, and I'm not spending almost $300 on hotels to go down. So I wanted to do this in 2 days. I mean, I guess I could have slept in my car one of the nights, but um, I think I'd rather just do the long days of driving. I think tomorrow, I think it's a 30-hour total trip. So I knocked off, let's say 12 today. So I still have 18 in the next two. Um, I can probably actually look up real quick how long the second one is. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow's drive is 10 hours, which is a lot better. Like 10 hours is it was literally just the last like 3-ish hours was just like terrible. Like it would be amazing to again leave around like that 9 a.m. mark tomorrow. Um and I'd get there instead of at 11 at um 7, 8-ish. And then from there to Texas State is okay, yeah, just Texas State. Not even 8 hours. So last 2 days should be so much better. And the idea would be to probably hopefully get to the university by like, I don't know, 3-ish, 2-ish. That would be nice. Which would be leaving at 7 a.m., 8 a.m., something like that. Which is fine. Um, and then that gives me the evening to go buy whatever I need, like groceries or stuff that I forgot, and then Sunday to just chill, I guess, and then start the program. I don't know if I talked about the program that much, but it's just like a we're doing research for uh, like smart home systems for autistic children. I don't even know if it's children; it might just be autistic people. Um, So it should be cool. So it's like kind of, but it's focusing on the AI side. I don't know if there's a lot of hardware I'm going to be working with. It'd be really cool if there was like sensors and cameras and stuff like that I was actually working with. But the program's centered around AI. All the projects are, so it should be cool. But I'll talk about more about that actually when I get to Texas State. I have 18 minutes to upload this if I want to keep up my streak. Technically, if I miss midnight, I can just say, Central Time streak still happening, but um, I won't go on a technicality. And I don't have 18 minutes to do something and then also upload it. So I am going to do a technicality to avoid needing to use a technicality. Okay? And we are just going to open up a terminal. Oh, we are just going to open up a terminal. Wait, you can't. Okay. Oh my, there's got to be a way you can increase that faster. And we're just gonna run Python. Okay, Python 3. There we go. Def. I'm tired. Uh, Print. I am tired and need to go to bed. Oh, I'm. Ignore that. Wait, that's just gonna give like a syntax error now. Can I go back? Oh my god. What actually happens now if I like go like this and run? Motherfucker. Okay, we're redoing. I think it's exit. How do you edit that afterwards? I don't know. I am tired and need to go to bed. Ending bracket. Now I can call I'm tired. Uh, that's cool. If you type out the name without the actual function call, it shows where it's in memory. It's cool. Didn't know that. See, I even learned something through this code. Okay, that is all I have. I will see you tomorrow. Actually, I might record this in the morning tomorrow. Like tomorrow's video, so I don't have to worry about it when I get to the apartment. Actually, no. I don't know. It depends when I wake up. If I wake up later than I wanted to, then I'll record it. I'll stay at the hotel later and just record this. Otherwise, um, I'll just do it when I get to the other hotel. Okay. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.